So for all the day traders out there and people aspiring to be a day trader, I'm going to tell you why you need to trade futures. What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about day trading futures, why everyone should trade them, why more and more people are actually starting to trade futures, and the overall benefits of them. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. All right, so what are futures? Well, they're just the big indexes, right? They're the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and NASDAQ, and inside of those are compiled a big list of companies. NASDAQ's main focus is primarily tech. So a lot of people like to day trade the NASDAQ. I actually like to trade both the NASDAQ and S&P 500, but now I've switched my main focus to the S&P 500 just given the movement of it. But why should you trade futures? Well, if you're trading individual stocks and equities, all these different companies, you have to pay attention to what's happening with all of these companies. If Elon puts out a tweet about Tesla or Twitter that's bad, well, it's going to tank before you even have time to react to it. So staying up to date on all of these different things is really hard to do because 9 times out of 10, you're going to be already too late and the move will have already happened. But also, you just have to pay attention to all of these different just aspects of companies. You have a full list of companies. What's moving? You have to do tons more research. What's going to be moving today or tomorrow? What moved yesterday? Was there any weekend news that's going to affect this certain company? You have so much more research to do when you're investing or day trading, when you're day trading into all these different companies, right? Trading futures, you're focused on one thing and one thing only. And that's either the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ where you trade them specifically, right? You don't have to pay attention to all these different things. You pay attention to one instrument and trade it and get to know it and how it moves and become a professional at trading that one instrument. The other thing is when you're day trading these individual companies and equities, you have what's called the PDT rule, a pattern day trading rule. And that just says if you're under the $25,000 capital requirement, then you are limited to only 3 day trades every 5 days. So you cannot do unlimited day trades. With futures, you can do unlimited day trades no matter the capital that you have as long as you meet the margin requirements by your broker. Now, I will say that trading futures is a larger risk. It is highly levered, meaning you can lose a lot of money. A lot of people like to jump in and trade the minis when they really should be trading the micros because the micros are going to have less P&L swings, and whereas like the minis are going to have those large $100, $200, $1,000 P&L swings depending on how many contracts you put on. So they do come in a greater form of risk, but you are only focusing on that one instrument. You can get to know it and how it moves. The other thing with futures is that they have their own tax benefits. I believe it's a 60-40 split of personal income and capital gains, whereas like per trading those equities and individual companies as stocks, it's 100% capital gains. So having that tax benefit is really beneficial to a lot of traders and you're saving a lot of money. But overall, guys, that is why trading futures is kind of the way now. And a lot of people are starting to switch over to trading futures because it's just better. But again, that's all personal preference. I'm not going to say it's better for everybody. Everybody has their own ways of making money in the market, and what works for them works for them, and they should stick to that only. But I do recommend at least just checking out futures, seeing if it's for you. They do have a lot of benefits in trading futures. So just go check them out and see if it's for you. Anyways, if you like this type of content, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not already. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.